Hi guys, thanks for watching. All you arborist guys or all the do-it-yourselfer guys, I have something for you. This X-Bend 15-ounce throw bag with 150 foot of the throw line, 200-pound test rating. It comes with the bag, a handy dandy little bag. Anyways, it's polyester with the ethylene coating, makes it slick. It's got excellent visibility, hunter orange. So that's pretty bright. You can see it well. It works exactly as it should. I would definitely recommend it to anybody that is in that kind of line of work or somebody who likes to do those things for themselves, But it's really easy to do, as you've seen from the video. You can just tie it off to your limb, whatever you need. Anybody who does that kind of thing definitely needs this. This is a must-have for any tree trimmer or any do-it-yourselfer. Thanks for watching.